Hello?
Hello?
Am I audible?
Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Am I audible?
Okay, so let's start with the first question. Question 1. Which of the following aqueous solution will have highest boiling point at 1 atm pressure? Your options are 0.1 molar KNO3. Option B is 0.1 molar BaCl2. Option C is 0.1 molar glucose, and option D is 0.1 molar Al2SO4 thrice. Okay, what will be the correct answer? Which will be having the highest value of the boiling point? Okay, option C. One is saying option C. Let's see. Is it correct or not? Anyone else? Hello? Be lively in the chat box. You can interact. Okay, Harsh is saying option D. Harsh is saying option D. Okay, one more option D. Rhythm is saying option D. All right. Anyone else? Okay, shall I solve? Shall I solve? Yes? Okay, let me solve this question. Now see, first you need to find the value of I, that is the Vent-Off factor. So value of Vent-Off factor for this will be 2 K plus and NO3 minus value of Vent-Off factor for this will be 3. Okay, then for glucose it does not dissociate, so value of Vent-Off factor will be 1 for I, and for Al2O3 दो आयन इसके और 3 इसके, so total will be 5. So option D will be the correct answer. Option D will be the correct answer. Okay, any doubt? Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? See, all these questions are really good. You can solve it. It will be really helpful. इसको समझो. All right. Let's see the next question. Question 2. Molar conductivity of Ca2 plus and Cl minus at infinite dilution are 119 Simon centimeter square mole inverse, and second value is 76 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Then limiting molar conductivity for CaCl2 is option A 195, option B is given 271, option C is given 238, and option D is 314. Try to solve. Okay, very good, Harsh. With your answer, you also state which law is applicable in this by solving such kind of MCQ. Which law will be applicable? Which law will be applicable by solving this kind of questions? Colrat's law. Colrat's law is the right answer. So using the Colrat's law, you can solve this question. What you need to do, let me give you the hint. CaCl2, so Ca plus 2Cl. Just like we are calculating the molar mass, वो कैसे निकालते हैं? बस उसी तरीके से इसको निकालना है तुम्हें. Colrat's law जैसे solve करते हैं वही तरीके से Ca का वैल्यू रख दो and 2 times 76 रख दो. And tell me the answer, what answer you are getting. Someone is saying option A. You can try by this. Ca plus 2Cl. ये लगा के देखो. Very nice. So option B you are getting, that is the perfect answer. Option B is the right answer. Okay, 119 into 2 times 76. So that is called Colrat's law. Independently, you just need to add the values. That's it. Okay, now question number 3. Value of Henry's constant. Value of Henry's constant. That is Kh for 4 gases are given. Kh. Argon is given, then CO2, then CH4 is given, and then O2 is given. So value is 40.3 for argon, then 1.67, then 0.41, and 34.8 for oxygen. These values are given, that is all are given in kilobar respectively. Then order of increasing solubility. Order of increasing solubility. This you need to tell me. Okay. Let me make it more easy. For example, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So accordingly, for option A, I can write A, D, B, C. Then for option B, I can write C, B, D, A. Option C, I can write AC, DB, AC, DB. And option D, last one, that is you can say B, D, A, C. B, D, A, C. Okay, tell me the answer. Option B. Also state the logic that you are applying. Okay, Rudra is saying Henry's constant increase, then solubility increase. Okay, so Maulik and Harsh, they are saying solubility increase, then value of KH will decrease. So accordingly, so it is either directly proportional or inversely proportional. दोनों में से कौन सा होगा? Logic लगा के बताओ. Okay, and accordingly you have to select one answer. Accordingly you have to select one answer. Okay, it is inverse. It is inverse. KH is inversely proportional to solubility. Formula is KH into X partial pressure. So it is KH is inversely proportional to X, which suggests its solubility. Okay, वो inversely proportional होता है. So likewise you can solve then tell me the correct answer now, everyone. सब आंसर बताएंगे इसका. Tell me the correct answer now. कौन सा ऑप्शन होना चाहिए? Okay, Maulik is saying CBDA. Increasing solubility चाहिए. Do not get confused. Do not get confused. मजेदार सवाल है सारे. Option A, yes. Option A will be the right answer. A, D, B, C. इसकी सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू है मीन्स उसकी solubility सबसे कम है. Okay? तो वो सबसे पहले आएगा because we are finding the increasing. Option B तब आता जब हमें decreasing पूछा होता. Okay? If they ask us decreasing तब हम option B मार्क करते. Same question में. चलो डन. Okay, let's switch to the question 4. And yes, one more thing. I will share you this worksheet. You can download it from the description box. This is checkpoint number 1 we are solving right now. Okay, and you need to rate yourself. You need to give yourself a mark. Okay, we are solving the checkpoint 1. You need to give yourself the mark out of 10, whatever the mark. Once we finish the 10 question, then we will see, and be honest with yourself. Cheating nahi karna. Okay, how many marks you are getting? Okay, next question. Question number 4. The cell constant of conductivity cell, I hope you remember the cell constant, having area is given 2 centimeter square, and distance between electrode is 1 centimeter. Is what? What is the value of cell constant in this? 2 centimeter inverse, then 0.5, then C 1, then option D 4. Units are same in all. Units are same in all. Okay. Gaurang is saying option C. Arav is saying option B. Maulik is saying B. Okay, now Gaurang is saying B. Anyone else? Yes, you can type your doubt. Tejas is there, one of my closest and best friend. Good to see you, mate. He's like a family for me. Cheers. Okay, cell constant. Cell constant is very easy. G star you can say, and it is L by A, that is 1 by 2. So answer is 0.5, option B. So option B will be the correct answer for this. Okay, one question is there. So after writing one question, we will discuss that point. All right. So rest others can keep on solving. Question 5, an azeotropic mixture of two liquids boils at a temperature lower than either of them when it shows option A, large positive deviation from Raoult's law. Option B is given same way, large negative deviation from Raoult's law. Option C is no deviation. Option D is satisfies the Henry's law only. Okay, same electrolyte length. It is electrolyte or electrode length. Okay, many option A are there. Anyone else? Apart from option A? Anyone else? From the theoretical part, this question is. In next session, we will consider the organic, or by tomorrow, we will consider that organic session. Option A is the right answer. Okay, when azeotropic mixture of two liquid boil at temperature lower than either of them, it shows the large positive deviation. Okay, let's solve the next question. Question number I forgot. 6, I guess. How many grams of glucose that is molecular weight given 180 should be dissolved in 100 grams of water to produce a depression in freezing point. I'm just writing like this: 0.93 Kelvin, and value of Kf is given 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. The same unit will follow. Options are given: 4.5 gram, option B are given 9 gram, option C is given 18 gram, and option D is given 2.25 gram. This you can solve. Option B, everyone is getting option B? Option B or D? Okay, someone have asked the question earlier. Gayatri, is she there in the chat? She asked the question like, is there a condition in which it mentioned that same electrolyte length, there is no need of salt bridge mechanism? So same electrolyte length तो शायद नहीं होगा, but I can understand कि it is immersed in the same electrolyte. Okay, both the electrodes are there in same electrolyte, तो फिर salt bridge की कोई requirement ही नहीं है, क्योंकि वो directly pass on हो सकते हैं ions, you can say. Salt bridge तो तब चाहिए जब एक इलेक्ट्रोड से दूसरे इलेक्ट्रोड में हमें सर्किट कंप्लीट करनी हो. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे तो सर्किट कंप्लीट वैसे भी नहीं होगी क्योंकि वो सेम ही सॉल्यूशन के अंदर है. So this is what we can understand from that. All right. Okay, same electrolyte. So that is what, if it is immersed in the same electrolyte, तो ions खुद के अंदर ही directly flow होंगे. So it is no need. Thank you for correcting, Tejas sir. I'm in love to get you in touch over here after so long. Okay, so option B, I hope it is the right answer. Option B, that everyone replied, that is the correct answer. You can directly solve using the formula Kf into m. Using the molality, you can directly calculate it in grams. Okay, let's solve the next question. Question 7. During the electrolysis of aqueous, CuSO4 solution using inert platinum electrodes, the product obtained at anode, the product obtained at anode is what? It will be a copper metal. Option B, it will be a hydrogen gas. Option C, will it be an oxygen gas? And option D, will it be a sulfur dioxide? What will be liberated? एनसीईआरटी पढ़ी होगी, उसको ये समझ में आ जाएगा. Such questions are there in NCERT itself. Okay, option A, copper metal. Is it on anode? Anode it is. You can refer the book, find out the book, you can refer it. Option D, sulfur dioxide. Anyone else? Many students are there but not replying. Option D, C. Herschel is saying option C. At anode, you need lower oxidation or discharge potential. So lower oxidation potential. When comes SO4, CuSO4, you can dissociate it at the same time as it is aqueous. So water is also present and it is having lower discharge potential. So it will liberate oxygen gas. Okay, it will liberate oxygen gas rather than sulfur dioxide because of that aqueous medium. Okay, let's see the next question. Question 8. Which condition holds true for an ideal solution formed by mixing two volatile liquids A and B? Okay. Okay, I am writing just in short options: delta mixture of H and delta mixture, that is volume, enthalpy and volume. Option A, B, C and D, this you need to consider. In first, it is greater than 0, equal to 0. In option B, it is equal to 0 in both. Then in option C, it is less than 0, equal to 0. In option D, less than 0 and greater than 0. These are the options given. Okay, already You answered this? Okay, everyone is saying option B. Option B is perfect. Option B is correct because it is an ideal solution. For non-ideal, we need to check whether it is positive deviation or a negative deviation. So वो हमें check करना पड़े. Let's see the question number 9. The charge in coulomb required. The charge in coulomb required for the complete reduction of 1 mole of MnO4 2 minus 2 Mn2 plus is blank. Option A 1.93 10 power 5. Option B it is 4.825 into 10 power 5. Option C it is 2.895 into 10 power 5 and 9.65. Option D 9.65 10 power 5. These are your options. It is easy, basic question. Option B. Option B. Okay, also tell me in farad, how many farad you will get apart from coulomb. If you are getting it in farad, you will always get in coulomb. Many are saying option B and option C. In farad, what quantity you will get in farad? Five. Yes, perfect. Okay, 5 farad will be required. That is correct. That is true. Okay, very good. Now get to know the 5 farad. Five farad. So in MnO4, here it is MnO4 minus. Here net charge will be minus 8. So this charge will be plus 7. So from plus 7 to plus 2, we required 5 farad. And 5 farad is 596500. When you multiply, you will get the option B as a answer. Okay. Option B will be the answer. Okay, last question before the checkpoint. Question 10. The osmotic pressure of solution. Find osmotic pressure of the solution, that is 6 gram urea, and molecular weight is given 60 at 3 per liter at 300 Kelvin is, you need to take R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Option A 2.463 atm. Option B 1.231 atm. Option C 4.963 atm, and option D is 0.246 atm. Need to find the osmotic pressure. Solve it. You need to solve this. Okay, option A. Option A. Option A is the right answer. Pi is equal to CRT. For this C, you can calculate the molarity by 6 by 60, that is mole, and per liter, so that will be the molarity 0.1. You can put that value over here 0.1 and then you can solve it. Clear? Now quickly tell me your score for the checkpoint, your name and your score. Your name and your score quickly for the checkpoint number 1. Okay, only 2. 5, 3, 7. So you are finding this difficult questions? What? All right, 7, 7. Okay. Let's start with the checkpoint number 2. Let's solve question number 11. Which graph correctly represents variation of molar conductivity with root C for a weak electrolyte? I hope you remember this graph, which is given in NCERT. Very important. Linear with negative slope. Linear with negative slope. Option B, linear with positive slope. Option C is curve. Okay. and option D is horizontal line parallel to axis. These are the options given. What is the graph of this? Molar conductivity versus under root C concentration. Okay, option C, perfect. Option C is the right answer. You can give yourself a point if you have written option C. This is the correct answer. For strong electrolyte, it is a slope moving downward, negative slope. It is. Now question number 12. Vent-off factor for compound I for compound that undergoes 100% dimerization 100% dimerization in benzene solvent is blank. Option A is given 0.5, option B is given 2, option C is given 1.5 and option D given 1. कोई कंपाउंड 100% डाइमराइज होता है बेंजीन में तो उसका वेंट ऑफ फैक्टर का वैल्यू क्या है? Okay, B, option D. B, option D, all right. Anyone else? Option D, 1. See, clearly it is mentioned here, dimerization. This word is important. You also written these things in notes. Dimerization. Dimer. याद आ रहा है कुछ? Option D. Anyone else? Okay, let me give you one hint. For association, you can also use this formula. I hope using this you will get 100% association, means alpha is equal to 1. Or you can say 100% dimerization. So alpha will be 1 and n will be 2 because it dimerize. दो molecule combine होंगे. Using this you can solve, I guess. Now try to solve and get the answer using this formula. Now you are getting it right. Option A. A will be correct. Okay. A will be correct. 0.5. ऐसे भी पता चल जाए dimerize हो रहा है. So final value upon you can say initial value. So पूरा compound जो है वो dimerize हो रहा है. Okay. So it is 1/2. You can write. Let's see the question number 13. For the electrochemical cell, for electrochemical cell, Zn2 plus 0.1 molar salt bridge, CO2 plus it is 1 molar. Okay. Cu. Also, value of E naught cell is given 1.1 volt. Now you have to find E cell at 298 Kelvin. Hope it will be easy for you. Option A 1.1 volt, option B 1.13 volt, option C is 1.07 volt, option D is 1.16 volt. Now try to solve this. Yes, Hitarth, how are you? Good to see you here. Option C. Okay. So you can apply the formula first, then you can just the answer. E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N log to the base 10 anode, that is 0.1, 10 raised to minus 1 upon cathode, that is 1. Now you will solve it. You will get to know that here it will be plus. ये power आगे आएगा तो ये plus होगा. E naught cell का value दिया है 1.1 plus 0.059 divided by 2. So you can see addition is there. How the value will increase? Decrease. ये सोचो. How it gonna decrease? Okay. Yes. Now you can solve it out easily and get the answer. इसको भी पूरा अगर जोड़ भी दो तो 1.16 नहीं बनेगा क्योंकि डिवाइड बाई 2 करना है. मान लो अगर डिवाइड बाई 2 करना भूल जाओ तो ये ऑप्शन आएगा जो गलत है. I hope it is getting clear. These all are very crucial MCQs. Option B will be the right answer. B will be the correct answer. Perfect. Let's solve the next question, 14. Isotonic solutions are two solutions having same blank. Isotonic solutions are two solutions having same blank. A is vapor pressure, B is freezing point, option C freezing point, option B, option C is osmotic pressure, option D is boiling point. Isotonic solution में क्या सेम रहेगा? जल्दी से बता दो. Be quick. Okay, very good. C. This is the easy question, basic one. Yes, option C is the right answer. Let's switch to the next question. Question 15. The conductivity of 0.01 molar KCl solution is 1.4 into 10 power minus 3 Simon centimeter inverse. Its molar conductivity is Simon centimeter square, mole inverse is blank. Option A is 140, option B is 14, C is 1.4 and D is 1400. ओके, चांस से सॉल्व करना है इस क्वेश्चंस को, क्योंकि ऑप्शंस में डेसिमल का ही पूरा गेम है. Conductivity is given, that is kappa. Okay, Pali is saying option A or she is saying option D. Okay, Karan is in the house finally. The first message he sent. Welcome. Option A. Alright, option A. Molar conductivity is equal to conductivity into 1000 divided by molarity. So conductivity is 1.4 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power 3 divided by 10 power minus 2. So this will be neglected. It will be 1. So 1.4 into 100. So answer is 140. So option A will be the correct answer. Okay. Let's see the next question. I hope this one is clear. Question number 16. Which pair of liquid shows negative deviation from Raoult's law? Option A, ethanol and acetone. Ethanol and acetone. Option B is acetone and chloroform. Option C is benzene and toluene. And option D is carbon disulfide and acetone. So this is a theory kind of question. Option B, एसीटोन एंड क्लोरोफॉर्म। जिसकी थियरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है उसको ये सवाल बहुत आसान लगेगा, और जिसकी थियरी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है उसको लगेगा कि एनसीईआरटी पढ़ ले। सिंपल एज दैट। ओके, lot many reactions are coming, I can see that. Oh, Rutvi is there. Good to see you here. You are done with this all, Rutvi. No need to look back. Okay, let's solve the next question. Relation between Gibbs free energy and, that is delta G, and equilibrium constant, that is Kc. Options are delta G is equal to minus RT ln Kc, then delta G is equal to RT ln Kc, delta G is equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc, and option D is both A and C. Both A and C. Harsh and Maulik are very quick to respond to this question. Good. Option D is the right one. When you convert the ln, okay, into log base 10, you need to get the factor of 2.303. वो ध्यान रखना है बस. So option D is the right answer. Perfect. Okay, last question for the day. Last question for the day. Question, I don't know the number, I forgot. 19, I guess. The quantity of charge required to obtain 1 mole of Al2O3 is blank. Option A is 1 farad. Option B is 2 farad. Option C is 3 farad. And option D is 6 farad. Okay, is it 18th? I don't know. Sorry. It's 18th. One mole of aluminium we need. Okay. Upal is saying option C, that is 3 farad. All right. That is 3 farad. Okay. Option D. Option C. Yes, Siddharth. The same time we used to study till 11, 11, 15. I don't